What's happening, everybody? It's Johnny Snow back in the building, and right now I'm headed up to Arrowhead Pond in Jonesboro, Georgia. You know, a lot of people keep saying Arkansas, but nah, this is Jonesboro, Georgia. All right, and my binary trigger on my Micro Draco messed up on me. All right, so of course I took it right back. And they actually got a brand new one for me up there, and I'm getting ready to go up there and get it installed, you know, and find out exactly what went wrong, and you know, just figure it out, and you know, just go ahead and get this fixed. So, you know, I might as well take you guys along for the ride. All right, we up here, you see, so we're finna go back here and holler at Shannon. Go ahead and get everything taken care of. How you doing, man?
Buddy, how are you?
I'm doing good, doing good. Well, no, I'm coming back here with Shannon. Mm-hmm.
Definitely a scam. Another one that's out there to go out to and fire binary in both positions.
Oh.
Had no semi. You can see that's what failed. Whatever that screw or rivet is.
Mm. Okay.
But they got it back reasonably quick.
Yeah, and I've been out of town working, so it has been. Yesterday was the first time I did a video in about 2 months. I've been so busy.
Yeah, but the day job pays the bills.
Absolutely. Bless you.
That's how I've been spending my days.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I heard you got you a vacation in.
Yeah, I needed it. My wife had some health issues, and
I
was all stressed out. I'll keep the back plate.
That's where you make it look too easy.
I did this yesterday.
Oh, you did?
We couldn't get another Fostech. They put a Franklin in his gun.
Now, is the Franklin more complicated?
Well, if you try to put it on a PAP, you're going to have to make modifications. It won't be easy to reverse. And one of these, there's a crossbar in the back trunnion I had to cut out, so the trigger would sit down in there. That simply they didn't plan for, or they would have put a cut in the trigger. You can see I had a flashlight. The head of your block there, see that cross piece?
Yes.
Well, the other trigger comes over top of that.
And
so you're going to either have to notch the trigger or cut the block. Well, if I'd put that in first, that'd make it a lot easier. I went and it goes the other way. We're good. Should sit in there. There we go.
Yeah, they've been sending me all over the country, man. I have to leave right back out Sunday morning, headed to Meridian, Mississippi.
You get to see all the hot spots, don't you?
If you want to call Meridian, Mississippi a hot spot, I've seen them all there. Actually, I had a pretty good time in Savannah the other day.
I like Savannah.
Yeah.
The food's not as good as Charleston, but it's infinitely more affordable.
Yes, absolutely. It's a lot more affordable. You know, now that I
Charleston's
think about it.
damn expensive.
Charlotte is too. Then I have to go out to California here pretty soon.
Speaking of expensive, everything in California is expensive.
Yeah. I can't take any of my guns.
No, not hardly.
Nothing that I own is California legal.
I'll do it.
Yeah. Real quick, fast, in a hurry.
You're missing the screw out of your forend.
I know.
Okay.
You still chatting this up a little bit?
Yes.
Please.
Yeah. That's exactly what I'm doing.
You got the magazine?
Yes, I put it in my back pocket.
Where the hell did you get that stock?
I have a guy out in St. Louis that makes all my wood.
Really?
So I have custom wood on everything I own. All right, I done went and got the trigger to the Draco fix, and we getting ready to go ahead and take this thing up to the range, see what it does. You know, I believe that she gonna be spitting again. So we about to see.